Welcome to all. Today we will discuss about one of the important subject, introductory biology. The course code of this subject is AGRI 1007. Under this course, we will discuss about binomial nomenclature and classification. The objective of this uh, course is to study about binomial nomenclature, and you will learn about the nomenclature and classification, and you will know how to identify a plant using different types of interpretation. We will start from history and development of plant taxonomy. How plant taxonomy was started. In a image, you will see a plant, and this plant is further divided into flowering and non-flowering group. The non-flowering, they further divided in the uh, roots and no roots, that like moss, ferns, and flowering are monocots, dicots is also there. First, we will start in the introduction. Herbalist, those who will prepare the Ayurvedic medicine, and agriculturist. You are the agriculture student, so your main focus in the agriculture crops. Past knowledge on plants from generation to generation. So Theophrastus, a great philosopher and a scientist in 372 to 287 BC, the Greek philosopher scientist called the father of botany, uh, placed this knowledge of plants on a scientific footing. In his inquiry into plants, he dealt with the plants at a large and attempted to arrange the plants in several groups. Uh, Plingy compiled a monumental work entitled Historia Naturalis, where he incorporated all information about plants gathered up to that time. Uh, Dioscorides was a contemporary of Pliny, and like him traveled a lot and gathered information about medicinal plant and compiled his book Materia Medica. There are three types of system of classification. First, artificial system of classification. Second, natural classification. Third is phylogenetic. So it is the earliest system of plant classification, system of Theophrastus Dioscorides. It remains dominant from 300 BC up to 1830. It was based on uh, one or a few easy observable characters of plants such as habit, that is trees, shrubs, herbs, or floral characters, particularly the number of stamens and carpels. Such type of classification using some arbitrary or at least easily observable characters, often irrespective of their affinity, is called artificial. Sexual system of Linnaeus is a good example of artificial classification, which use only one attribute, that is the number of stamens, for grouping plant into 24 classes, as a result of which various unrelated taxa, which are not at all related, similar in one respect only, have been placed under this category. Natural system of plant classification. These systems of classification are based upon overall resemblance, mostly in gross morphology, thus utilizing as many taxonomic characters as possible to this group taxa. This classification proposed by John Ray, Bentham Hooker were based on natural principles of plant classification. Phylogenetic system of plant classification. It is started in 1859, followed the publication of Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. They used as many taxonomic characters as possible in addition to phylogenetic, or you can say evolutionary or interpretations. These are expressed in the form of phylogenetic trees or shrubs showing presumed evolution of groups. A classification proposed by Hutchinson, Takhtajan were based on phylogenetic principle of plant. The natural system are two-dimensional based on the data available at any time and is known as horizontal classification. Wherever the addition of the third dimension, that is the past history or ancestral history, result in phylogenetic classification, also known as vertical classification or evolutionary classification. Linear system of classification. The outline of linear system of classification with 24 classes. There is, it is based on the stamens. If flowers have the one stamen, two stamen, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 20, he has given the a category like monendia, diendia, triendia, tetrandria, because uh, uh, if flowers have one stamens, then he will given the mono, two have the di, tri had the three. So his classification is mainly based on the stamens only. A linear system of classification. Polyandria flowers with more than 20 stamens are attached to the receptacle. Diandria stamens, didydamas. Uh, Diandria means stamen tetradidynamus. So he has given such kind of classification up to 24. Like cryptogamia, non-flowering plants like cryptogams, which include algae, fungi, mosses, and ferns. Now, George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. He is a great philosopher and scientist. He has given the classification, and this flowchart is briefly explained. That is Kingdom Plantae. Under the Kingdom Plantae, sub-kingdom, that is Cryptogamia, then Phanerogames, seed-bearing plant. Then it is further classified in a category of dicotyledons, monocotyledons, and gymnosperm. Then dicotyledon further subclass, that Polypetalae, Gamipetalae, Monoclamidae. Then these are further uh, classified in a series. So Thalamiphyllori, Deciphyllori, and Calciphyllori. And in gymnosperm, they have further divided into three families: Cycadaceae, uh, Coniferaceae, and Nithiaceae. Simultaneously, monocotyledons were also classified in the 7 series. So this is the beauty of this classification, such salient feature of Bentham and Hooker system. Uh, it is a classification in only the seed plants and phanerogams. They describe 97,200 5 species of seed plants belonging to 7,569 genera of 202 family, starting from Ranunculaceae up to Gramineae. So he have covered almost all. They classified all the seed plant into 3 groups and classes, that is dicotyledons 165 family, gymnosperm 3 family, monocotyledon 34 family. They include disputed orders among ordinally anomaly which they could not place satisfactorily. Monocotyledons were described after the dicotyledons. Uh, then dicotyledons were divided into 3 divisions, that is Polypetalae, Gamipetalae, and Monoclamidae, and 14 series. Each series again divided into cohorts, that is modern order, and cohorts into others. orders, that is the modern families. The author did not mention anything about the origin of angiosperm. Creation of Disciplory, a taxon not described by the earlier taxonomist. Among the monoclinidae, major taxa like the series were divided on the basis of terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Polypetali carries 82 family, 2,610 genera, 31,874 species. Gamopetali carries 45 family, 2,619 genera, and 34,556 species. Monoclinidae include 36 families, 801 genera, and 11,784 species. Similarly, monocotyledons consist 34 families, 1,495 genera, and 18,576 species. So he covers almost all the domains. John Hutchinson system of classification. John Hutchinson, 1884 to 1972, an English botanist, has given his latest information about phylogenetic classification of angiosperm, which have been published his famous book Families of Flowering Plants recently in 19. The following principles were adopted by Hutchinson to classify the flowering plant. These are the evolution takes place in both upward and downward direction. During evolution, all organs do not evolve at same time. Generally, evolution have been consistent. Trees and shrubs are more primitive than herbs in a group like genus or family. Trees and shrubs are primitive than. So angiosperm further divided into dicotyledons, monocotyledons, then it will come divided into division. The division that is Lignonaceae, that is wood habit, Herbaceae, that is herbaceous habitat, Calciferi or distinguished calyx and corolla, Calciferi, calyx and corolla, almost similar. So this is a kind of classification. And this classification have some merits and demerit. He divided the phylum Angiosperm, flowering plants, into two subphyla, that is the dicotyledons and monocotyledons. The dicotyledons are further divided into two divisions, that is Lignonaceae arboreal and Herbaceae, that is herbaceous. Lignonaceae includes fundamentally the wood represented derivative derived from Magnoliaceae and Herbaceae, including most or the predominantly herbaceous families derived from renels. The subphylum Monocotyledons are divided into three divisions, that is Calciferi, Coronoliferi, and Glomiflori. So in the latest system of Hutchinson, the dicotyledon consists of 83 orders and 349 families, and monocotyledon consists of 29 orders and 60. Some drawback, also some merits and demerits. So thank you very much for your kind attention.